Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you another somatosensory exercise we call it Find the Sweet Spot. If you have a better name, let us know. And what we're trying to do here is we're trying to help people engage their core more when they do rotational movements. So to really stay grounded with using your feet and feeling it throughout your core when it comes to rotational movements is an important part of somatosensory training in helping to check balance, imbalance, and dizziness. And so how we do this is we start off against a wall. So I don't have a wall here, but I'm just going to use this post. And so you stay against the wall, and what you'll notice is when you're against the wall, if you kind of change the position of your pelvis slightly, you're going to feel like a spot where we call the sweet spot, where you feel the most grounded, the most powerful. If someone is around, like has their arms around you like this, they'll feel like your core is most engaged. You feel like you occupy the most space, or your muscles are most recruited. And so for me, like that seems a little bit outside kind of where I feel most powerful. There feels pretty good. Let me just go a little bit more this way and check. Yeah, that was kind of like the sweet spot for me right there. And so I just kind of shuffle my way from side to side to see if I really am kind of balanced, and I can really feel the force coming from my feet up into my core area, into my center of gravity. And then from here, what we do is we practice keeping the spine straight, and we pivot. So if you're going to see my feet, they're going to kind of pivot like that, and I'm going to open up. Basketball players do this type of drill for like posting up in the lane. And so I'm just going to, you can see like a statue coming back and just opening up. And even like really tiny people, like the other day there was a 61-year-old 5'1" lady we were training, and even if I was pushing against her hips as hard as I couldn't hold her back. She'd become that powerful with the movement. Mo, if you want to show, so like sometimes people kind of like twist their spine and something like that, and so you can have someone apply a little pressure on the side that you're going to be twisting into, and so you maintain that straight spine. Most of the movement is from your core area, and you starts off in this heel, and you're going to pivot that way, and you're going to open up your torso, but the movement's going to come from that heel all through your pelvis into your torso. Okay? So more, you're going to push into me, and you can see it's not that hard. You can push harder.